All right, now I'm going to show you how to upload your own photo into our media library. So I automatically get Pixlr Editor up here, and don't pay for one, just use the free one. So click that, you'll get this page that says create new image. I always do open image from computer, so an image that I already have. Um, and let's say I want to make this vertical photo into a horizontal photo or something. Um, you can always change the size, cut off the photo, image size, you can see height and width, stuff like that. So that's just to show you how to use the Pixlr editor for how you want it, but you don't have to use that if your photo is exactly how you want it. So if you'll notice, looking at my home screen, I have this image here. You always want to rename this image. So this was taken by an intern when she was covering the ACCs. So we could do intern ACC, that's okay to have capitalized. Computer, laptop, what else could we use? You almost want as many descriptors as possible so that people can find this photo when they search. You can say Pac 12, media pass. So there we go. That's saved under new name. And I come back to my post here. Let's say I want to insert that photo there. I'll do add media, upload files, select from your computer. Look, there it is. Hit open. And look at that nice title there so that people can search and use it in the future. Sometimes it takes a while to upload. And I know the name of the intern who uploaded this, so I always have that there. But and notice how this is not what the image looked like before I uploaded it. So I'm going to see how that inserts. So see how it kind of cuts that off. So our media library does edit photos without your help. And if it doesn't look how you want it, then you're going to have to edit it in an outside site and re-upload it. But this kind of looks cool. So I'm okay with that. So that's, I mean, pretty simple. That's how you can do that. But I am going to delete that photo from our library permanently. And that's how you do that.